Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about average attribute, how to add average attribute in XML for our custom module in Odoo 19. So, in now today's lecture, we will be studying about another small widget which will be useful known as URL. So, what I mean to say is currently when I go to the contact module and open any of the records, you can see here a website is shown, and here if I add anything, suppose youtube.com, and click on save, you can see here a button, URL button is shown, and on clicking it will redirect to particular website. So how we can implement such functionality for our code? Let's see. In order to do that, first we need to add any of a field. For that, let's go to the person's view. Here in the person view, what I'll do, I'll simply add a field. You can add anything, fields dot character, and I will simply add string as well, website. You can add any name, data type keep as character. For mostly in website it must be character, right? Now I'll simply add this in the view as well. In the form view, after gender, I will simply add this field. Now I'll restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading, go to the library management, persons view, open the record. Currently you can see a website field is shown. Now if I write www.youtube.com and save the field, you can see no button is shown for the website. Now in order to get that type of button, all you need to do is add a widget known as URL. So when I go to the code, here in the XML where our field relies, we simply add widget equals to URL and simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module, go to the library management, open person, record, and now you can see here the button is shown. On clicking you will be redirected to that particular website. So with the help of this small functionality, you can add this in your code to make your particular record more utilized. So to summarize today's lecture, all we had done is added a widget known as URL. In order to do that, you must need to add the widget is equals to name as URL to a particular field. After that, you need to simply restart your server and upgrade your module. You will see the functionality working. I hope today's small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.